everyone, welcome back to Girl Talk World. I'm Poppy.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we're going to be playing
Heads Up.
I'm actually really excited for this.
I love this game.
It's just so much fun.
Okay, so the aim of the game is we have a phone with the game Heads Up on it, and say it's on my head, Poppy has to try and describe the word to me that is on the screen. Now we are going to be playing a few rounds. We're going to see how many we can get, and then you can challenge us. See if you can beat.
We're going to see if you can beat us.
Okay.
Beauty and the Beast.
Belle.
Yeah.
Oh,
correct.
Yay.
Shoe loses her shoe.
Cinderella.
Yeah.
Did it go?
Pass.
Okay.
Okay. Pass. Okay, you play them like Xbox, PS4,
Game
Fortnite.
console. Oh, computer games, video games.
Yes, yeah. Bart, Lisa, Homer.
Simpsons.
Yeah. Think of Toy Story. Woody.
Buzz Lightyear.
What is Woody?
Cowboy.
Yes. It's a place. It's near. It's Hong Kong.
China?
Yeah.
Did we get that one? Did I do it in time?
I don't know.
I always forget.
Which way is incorrect? Down.
Okay. Up is incorrect. Oh, okay. Farmers have them to plough the fields.
What?
Farmers ride around in them.
Tractor.
Yes. Oh, further. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you use it to kill insects.
Raid.
the general term.
What?
Okay, so insect.
So I just pass.
Oh, it's that game where you're all sat around in a circle and someone goes along patting their head.
Oh, Duck Duck Goose.
Oh my gosh, she won American Idol like years and years and years ago. Oh, pass. They live in either the Arctic or the Antarctic. I can't remember.
Polar
They're
bears.
black and white.
No,
The bird. Black and white bird.
Black and white bird.
Who lives in the cold area.
It's
a penguin.
They're not. Are they a bird?
Yes, it's a bird.
A penguin.
A penguin's a bird. Okay, so for this round, you're not allowed to use words. You gotta act it out.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, here we go. Is it going?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Opening a drink. Drinking. The can of Coke. Opening a can.
Yes. Yeah. Correct. Pass.
Bouncy ball. What? Not basketball. Taking a ring. Oh, yo-yo.
Yeah. Correct. Nah. No. Okay.
Spray painting.
No. Oh. It was lighting a match.
Oh, are we done?
And the one I couldn't do was playing the bagpipes. Like I don't know how I could.
Okay.
Drawing, writing, painting.
I'll pass.
Okay.
Oh.
Hide and seek.
Yes.
Oh, that thing, the one that goes in and oh, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. Okay, but what? Okay, is it the?
Oh, is it? Oh.
TV control.
Watching TV. We're counting it. Oh,
I passed it.
Okay.
it.
Oh. That's it.
Painting.
Ironing.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our last round, but we're gonna do the first game again because it's a bit easier than the other one. I'm not very good at acting things out, so this is better.
Yeah, that second round was hard. Right, okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Okay, you get it for your birthdays, Christmas.
Cake, presents.
Yes. Okay, it's a film. It's a film and it's about something that happened, I think, like years ago. Is that what?
What happened years ago?
Okay, just skip this one because I think I'm saying the wrong thing. Okay, no, skip. Yeah, okay, pass. Okay, oh, okay. They sort of, I don't know, like for some reason, no, just no. Just go. Oh, you get like loads of kind of drinks. I get a caramel frappuccino. It's really big. You can get like, it's
a coffee shop.
Yeah, it's a kind of coffee shop. They
Starbucks.
write your names on it. Yeah. Okay, we're here. We're in this country.
England.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You can get it at McDonald's. It's a
Big
kind of
Mac, quarter pounder, cheeseburger, Big Mac with cheese.
Yes, correct. Time's up.
He was in High School Musical.
Zac Efron.
Yeah. Damn. There was a green one, a pink one, a yellow one, and they fought forces of evil. They all wear all those suits. No, I'll skip it.
Okay.
She sings Diamonds, Umbrella.
Rihanna.
Yeah. You drink it every day.
Water.
Yeah. Hopefully you drink it every day. It hasn't gone. Pass. Okay, it's a member of the cat family, has a big mane.
Lion.
Yeah. Okay, it comes just before New Year.
Christmas.
Yeah. Oh, he has a sidekick called Robin.
What?
It's not Superman. It's the guy in the.
Oh, Batman.
Yeah. He loves to eat biscuits.
Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
Oh no.
We did well though, I think.
3, 4.
We got 6.
That's so good. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's an achievement.
I lost track of how many points we scored, but we'll put it on the screen, just here.
Yeah.
And then you can try and beat our score.
So thank you for watching that video. We hope you enjoyed it. It's good fun, heads up, isn't it?
It's such a good game.
So make sure you subscribe to the Girl Talk channel if you haven't already and check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.